Our solar system used to have 9 planets once upon a time, but suddenly everything changed. Now we have only 8 planets, and we have removed Pluto from the list. So the major things that we will see today is why Pluto is no longer a planet, and will it ever be considered as a planet again. You're watching Beyond, and let's get into the topic. Pluto is the last planet in our solar system, and it is the cutest of all. Further, it is the smallest planet in our solar system. In 1930, Pluto was found by an US astronomer, Clint Tombaugh. Then soon Pluto was also taken in the planets list. However, Pluto being so far from Sun, it was an icy planet. Then Pluto was also considered as the largest planet when compared to Mercury. Slowly, when the technology went up, they discovered Charon. Charon is Pluto's largest moon. With the help of Charon's discovery, astronomers were able to determine the accurate mass of Pluto. The results were surprising. They found that Pluto is much smaller than Mercury and even our own moon. This shocked the entire astronomers society. Then by 20th century, astronomers started to find many more objects near to Pluto's orbit and then beyond, during which they found Eris. Eris was much larger than our 9th planet in our solar system, that is Pluto. So the International Astronomical Union (IAU) declared a new set of rules with a committee in 2005. They made a new and official definition for planet. During this, each of the astronomers had their own ideas and their own definitions. Then in 2006, they came to a conclusion with 3 new rules. To be a planet, it needs to be in orbit around the Sun, it needs to have enough gravity to pull itself into the spherical shape, it needs to have cleared the neighborhood of its orbit in a spherical shape. Pluto was able to match the first 2 laws, but it couldn't match the third law. The meaning of the third law is as a planet forms, they become the dominant gravitational body of their orbit in the solar system. And further, when they come across with other smaller objects in their orbit, they either consume them or sling them away with their gravity. Pluto was not able to satisfy the third law as it was only 0.07 times the mass of the other objects in its own orbit. If you compare with our Earth is 1.7 million times the mass of the other objects in its orbit. Finally, in 2006, the IAU confirmed that Pluto was no longer a planet. They changed the Pluto's name into the dwarf planets list. Many say that Pluto was thrown away due to the high gravity or it just flew somewhere. To those who think that or still say this, I would like to say that Pluto is still there and it is the same as before, with only one change, that is, the name has been moved to a new list. From now on, only the rocky worlds of the inner solar system and the gas giants of the outer system will be designated as planets. The inner solar system is the region of space that is smaller than the radius of Jupiter's orbit around the Sun. It contains the asteroid belts and terrestrial planets from Mercury to Mars, while the gas giants are Jupiter to Neptune. Coming back to Pluto now, as it comes under dwarf planets, let's see what is the meaning of dwarf. The dwarf planets are the celestial bodies that only meet the first 2 laws that were defined. There are more than 44 dwarf planets and now Pluto is one among them. The top 4 dwarf planets so far discovered are Pluto, Makemake, Haumea and Eris, which are located beyond Neptune. The 5th largest planet is Ceres, which is in between Mars and Jupiter in the asteroid belt. Since Pluto is still there, it's not a bad thing to worry about. It has a great company in space now with other dwarf planets. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon next to it to get instant notification whenever I release a new video. If you have any similar questions, do leave it in the comment section below and do share this video with your friends. And always remember to think big.